Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, wanna take you for a ride on the big jet plane. Cause you white, so you ain't nothing like no plain Jane. Promise.
What's up, my people? Like I said, y'all, it is time for that POV. You know how I like to do it. So we starting off in the car, heading back from the last video, depending on where I posted. Because my videos posted all over the place. I could do the POV. I could shoot 10 videos in a day, and I thought it'd be periodic, but it's not. It's all over the place. So it is what it is, man. Y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all hit that like button, that subscribe button, and then we doing straight POV. ZL1 supercharged V8. You know what I'm saying? We got the 315s on the back. You know what I'm saying? I'm probably trying to go up to 325s when I get my new set of wheels. You know, depending on how I feel about things. So we'll see what's up, man. But definitely love these POVs. The POV videos always do good. Cutting up through the city, cutting up through the country roads, all that good stuff. So make sure y'all boys like, make sure y'all subscribe. Like I said, these are fun videos. I think people enjoy them. I enjoy them myself. I make sure I try and do them in the country road, not on the interstates where you got family and friends and stuff like that. My tire could pop and I could take out a whole family or something. But anyways, that's too much talking. Let's get into the intro. I'll catch y'all in the video. Like, subscribe. Let me know what your favorite part was, because you know we about to get it in, baby. Hey, sometimes you just gotta cut up through the city now. Oh, shit. Let's see.
2 exit 222.
Oh, come on, man. Now we gotta get off. We ain't even supposed to be getting off the damn interstate yet, but people want to be in my damn way, man. If you gonna drive fast. God dang, like that's what I be talking about, bro. Drive fast. I'm tired of people driving in front of me that not driving fast. Do the speed limit, do above the speed limit. Don't do under the speed limit. I'm gonna buy a truck. And the reason I'm gonna buy a truck is I'm gonna smash into y'all ass. I promise. Alright. I need to find a way to get around these folks right here. Because this slow shit is annoying as fuck. This is what I'm talking about, though. I can never get around. Drive your car, bruh. Drive. There we go. Got around all that bullshit ass traffic, man. Is it that hard to just drive? Damn. Trying to do my little POV little thing, you know what I'm saying? But come on, bro. Like, y'all don't gotta be driving that slow. Hey, check ways. No cops. Alright. Check. Alright. Hey, make sure we got everything going. Because ain't nobody got time for all them po-po shit. No time for the call the po-po, ho. I don't got time for it. So, we're gonna drive, we're gonna have some fun, and that's it.
State Route 42.
This how you drive, baby. Ooh, almost lost it. God damn.
Turn left.
Almost lost it. Alright, we passing by a church, so we're gonna slow down. Some of y'all might want to laugh and ask, oh, why? Yeah, you gotta slow down around a church, man. God watching. God watching you. Y'all don't want to act like that. Y'all don't want to drive like that. God is watching. God is watching. Ain't that right? But nah, these roads so beautiful, man. It's so pretty. I know my window's dirty, so y'all really can't. Oh, trees in the road. Y'all really can't see nothing out of it, but.
Pass on Campground Road.
Alright, red light. We'll be back after this one. Light is green. Every corner you gotta make sure now. telling y'all, hey, some of these roads are so beautiful. So damn beautiful, man.
In 1 mile, turn right on State Route 155.
Some of these roads are so damn beautiful. I love it. We about to run out of recording space soon, so it is what it is, y'all. Damn! I'm telling you, man, this shit is so much fun, bro. Like, alright, we'll be back. Hey, I'm so sorry that we're running out of space. I don't even know. Let me check the camera and see how much space we have left. It won't even tell me. It won't even tell me. Woo! Woo! I'm just gonna have fun until this shit cut out and they say no more recording space left, y'all. I can't get enough. Hold on now. I know y'all can't see my face. That's what happens when you dark skinned. You know what I'm saying? So it's getting bored. Too much traffic. We'll be back. Alright, I'm just trying to check the settings on this shit. Make sure this GoPro is not on slow-mo, bro. If it's on slow-mo, I lose my mind. Alright, because last time I shot, I don't know, y'all ever did that? Record a whole video and that bitch was in slow-mo? Terrible. Alright, there we go. But terrible. Don't slow down for the roundabout. Oh, go ahead. Don't slow down. Woo! Turn me up. Don't turn me down. Turn me up. Don't turn me down. Oh, man. Pop. I heard my exhaust pop, bruh. Woo-wee. Man. See, that's a good thing. The exhaust get hot enough and then it start to pop. That's what that shit is dope. I wait till the exhaust gets super, super hot and that thing start popping like that. That's crazy. That's crazy as hell, but that's the sounds I like to hear, man. That's what I like to hear. stop telling people where I'm at. Thank y'all for the video, man. Alright, ladies and gents, that's it. I'm done. I had a little bit of POV fun. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, like I said, I'm done, man. Just cutting up a little bit in the city, cause you know what I'm saying, we got that ZL1. This what she do. Oh, I had the camera up the whole time. This what she do, this what she's meant for. So, you know, like I said, the POVs always did good, like I said in the beginning, man. And I enjoy doing them, so why not continue to do so? So if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, grow the family, grow the fan base, grow the channel, grow the supporters, grow whatever you want to call it. Just let's grow that thing, okay? Like, baby, subscribe, baby. I'll catch you on another one, man. Peace.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, whoa. Wanna take you for a ride on the BJ plane. Cause you icy, you ain't nothing like no plain Jane. Promise me that we'll always be on the same thing. I won't ever change lines. Stay down, gotta maintain. Is you down for the ride? Whoa. We could be like Bonnie and Clyde. Whoa, whoa. I wanna take you for a ride, but I need you by my side. Copy PJ, let's go fly here. It's room for the two of us, no cowboys. We meant for each other just like our toys. I can't lie, you popping up inside my dream. I get butterflies, girl, you know what that means.